I won't change Dr. Anand Ranganathan's name. I should hold another part of his anatomy and grab it, but I won't do that. The fact of the matter is Dr. Anand Ranganathan.
Please. I mean, let's please.
Listen,
I'm sorry, this is a national channel and families watch these shows. I don't want. No, but I cannot allow such. No, I'm sorry.
I was talking about his neck. But let me, I was only talking about his neck.
And you should not be called a terrorist.
Of course.
You want to grab his neck.
Playfully.
And you should not be.
Playfully.
That you didn't say in the first instance.
That's what I want.
I'm fine with the neck. I'm fine with the neck. I'm relieved.
He is fine. But on a serious note, look, Anand, the fact is nobody objects to licenses being showed. That's the first statement I made.
No, people are objecting to that.
No. What you're objecting to, what was the claims being made, is why is somebody who has a Muslim name have a restaurant called Pandit Restaurant? That, Anand, even you agree.
Because if you have lived in India, you would know that some people who fast during the Kawad Yatra, Jains, Hindus, they observe kahan paka hai, kis bartan mein paka hai, unke rituals hai. Unke rituals hai. Who are you to question those rituals?
Let me agree with you. Now let's say a Muslim owns a restaurant which is where the cook is Hindu. Now what is your answer to that? Come on. So now you have to write on that license the cook is Hindu?
No.
What if the cook is Sikh? That's what. You will get stuck in this debate, Anand. You don't get into this debate.
But
I don't expect
No. Forget. No. This is not about a Hindu cook or a Muslim cook. This is also about Digvijay Singh. Digvijay Singh, who says the Kawad Yatra in itself spreads hate. Now I want you to ask. Rahul Gandhi ke guru the na, Digvijay Singh. Kawad Yatra spreads hate?
No, that's not what he said.
That's exactly what he said.
No.
I'll play out the soundbite. I'm playing out Digvijay Singh.
ऐसा है, ये राज्य सरकार अगर कांवड़ यात्रा के लिए सुविधा प्रदान करती है तो उसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, लेकिन दूसरी बात यह है कि कांवड़ यात्रा के माध्यम से आप एक नफरत का माहौल पैदा करें समाज में, वो उचित नहीं है।
कावड़ यात्रा के माध्यम से नफरत,
BJP and BJP is spreading hate. For ma'am, just one line. For hundreds of years, this Pavitra Yatra has happened. For hundreds of years, the Warkaris walk in Pune. Why is it in the last 10 years these issues are coming up? Because the real concerns of the people.
Shalabani Tripathi, please respond.